So ayan guys, continuation tayo ng video natin, no? Yung last nilalaro natin is yung hostel. Ito, no? Yung bilyar lang yata ito. So naglagay ako ng konting ilaw sa taas. Yan, medyo maganda ating lighting. Mas maganda yata ito compared dun sa isa. Yan, kahit ay tagilid ko siya, oh. Ayun yung ating ilaw nasa right side. Yan. So medyo bawas yung ating lighting, no? So yung reflection natin para makabawas. So try natin to guys. Tapos then parang na-try ko na to and then ito. So Spider-Man 3 pagkatapos nitong ano ba tawag ito? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So try natin yan. Subukan natin yan kung anong games na yan guys. Time check 3:02 PM. Ganun pa rin, may 17 continuation to nung recording ko dun sa huli kong nilaro na The Hustle, no? Yung parang billiard lang niya ata yun. Tapos naglilipat-lipat siya ng ibang matches, no? Testingin natin to. Skip. So hindi pala pwedeng walang ilaw kasi hindi nyo nakikita kung ano yung pinipindot ko. So at least ito, may idea kayo kung ano yung aking pinipress na button, ano. So dapat talaga may ilaw talaga. Skip. Walang skip. There's no skip guys. Okay. New game. Story, syempre. Save. Save agad. Save game agad. Then, select. Yan. Kita pa rin naman pala ako sa reflection na yun. Pero hindi gaano. Mission start. So, mag-isa lang ako. Ba? Ano? Kala ko apat yata yung sa PS3. O tapos ano gagawin? So X talon. Oh, pag ganun. Kanina square, X ang talon kanina, ngayon naging square. O tapos square. Okay. Triangle yata. Ayun, no? Triangle. Ayun. Okay. Press circle to jump. Okay, circle. Oh. Ba't ganun? X. Ayun, X. Ayan, pizza. Ba't ganun? Parang nagbago ata yung controls. Ayaw na. Tama naman na, circle ah. Kanina triangle lang jump, ngayon nagbago yata. Okay, your working ninja, continue. Yun. So ito X daw, o X. Yan, yung mga box. Bang, okay. O tapos jump. May kinalaman yata yung naka-display na picture. Di ko kasi binasa eh. May kinalaman yung naka-display na picture yun, no? Yung parang pizza sa kung anong pipindutin mo. So ako kasi kinakapa ko lang eh. Yan, akala ko kasi staple. Tapos ayun, no? X. Ito puro ganito lang, wala siyang kalaban. O tapos dito ko, tapos X circle. XX, wala, ayaw. Yun, ito ang talon. Yun. Medyo nagagets ko na guys. So kapag ginandyan, dapat square kasi nasa left side. Ayun. So pag dito, circle. Tama, no? Ayan, o. Pipindutin ko dito. Nandito ako, square to para makapunta ka ron. Yun, o. Tapos para makapunta ka sa left side, right side, dapat circle yan. Circle. So square, circle, square, circle. Medyo nagas ko na. Then triangle kapag forward. Okay? So yun, yan, triangle yan. Okay. Okay, so ganun pala siya guys. So dito, para mag-move forward ka, kailangan is triangle, no? Yan, triangle yan. Yun. And then square kasi nasa kanan mo, nasa right side mo eh. Ganun pala guys. Daming kaeklabuhan ng laro na to. Okay guys, so yun muna, no? So next shoutout again, next owner, ikaw na bahala. Hindi ko na i-continue yan. Ganun pala yun, pinahirapan tayo na sa controls So first time natin nilaro yung Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, no? So try pa natin yung ibang games, may enough time pa naman tayo Yan, nagbabasa siya ulit. So, tapos na tayo dyan. Spider-Man 3, yan. Try natin yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang games na to. Try natin. Skip. Okay, wala siyang skip guys. Kumusta yung aking phone? Mainit na ba? Dito naman. Sakto lang. Skip. Pagkatagal naman mag-loading nito. Hoy, bilis. Yo. Start game. There is no data, malamang. First time ko naglaro First time ko nilalaro tong Spider-Man 3. Tapos hanapan mo ko ng save game data. Siyempre wala pa. So, parang mas maganda to, no? So, ito light attack and then ito strong attack. Patayin ko lang ilaw guys, masyado kong exposed sa reflection, no?
Same old, huh? Listen, make sure you mix up quick and strong attacks. Don't be predictable.
3-hit combo. Ginagawa ko naman Doon. Ulit nga. 3-hit combo is square, and then triangle. Go. Okay. Punta tayo dun sa hallway. Boom. Sumabog. So move camera. Okay. So jump X. Tapos naman ang talon. Panis. So pag iniina mo yung talon, tapos tumalon Yun. Tara. Saan tayo?
Spider-Man be without his spider powers?
Well, so circle daw tayo sa...
Man, is that what you came here to play?
Panis.
Man 3? I don't think so. Now go ahead and crawl up this wall, you know, like Spider-Man.
So pag pupunta ka sa pader, pindutin mo daw yung circle para makaakyat ka. O tapos, saan ako pupunta? Gusto ko lumabas doon. Dito na. Defeat the...
Spider-Man, don't let him spoil the boss's plan. Are you troubled by bad guys who move too fast? Ask your doctor about web splits, proven in lab tests to slow bad guys down by up to 80%. Web splits aren't for everyone. Side effects include
Nagawang gado
nausea,
pa.
diarrhea.
Ba, dami ah.
These guys got
Circle.
no respect.
If
Don't
enemies
just
have
stand
you
there and take
cornered,
their abuse.
dodge out the way
Dodge
to
to avoid
avoid
their
powerful
attacks, then
attacks.
show them what Spider-Men are made of.
Paano mag-dodge? Ah, okay. Square. Yun! Oo, ha? Ang dodge daw, ganun. Left, tapos papunta ng kanan. Kaliwa. Panis.
Then there were none. I should see if anyone else is trapped in here.
Jump higher by pressing and holding the jump button, then release it. So yung tinatarigaw nila guys. Pag ano lang, mabilis mo pinindot yung X. Yan, bababa lang yung kanyang talon. Then diinan mo siya. Yan, tatalon siya ng mataas. Yung taas nun ah.
Hey, you're not a real hero until you save someone's
Boom,
life, right?
panis.
Otherwise, you're just a guy in long underwear.
So yun daw, may sasagipin ka ron.
Save civilians in danger to start.
Well anyway, okay na yan. Okay na yan tayo guys. Next game tayo na. Third game tayo. Kitang-kita yung reflection. So ilaw tayo ulit. So tapos na tayo sa Spider-Man. Ano pa ba? May enough time pa tayo. Siguro makaka 3 games tayo sa video na to, no? Okay. Tapos na tayo dyan. Sims 2 Castaway. Parang nalaro ko na to before. And then nalaro ko na rin to. And then ito. Need for Speed Carbon yata. Hindi ko pa na-try. So try natin to guys. Yan. Off natin na yung ilaw. Para makita nyo yung liwanag ng LCD natin. Okay, loading. Okay, an autosave feature. Okay, yes. Are you ready? Okay, start. Need for Speed. Skip na, skip. Walang skip.
You're going down, bro.
Ano yun? Na-aksidente siya. Okay.
You don't recognize me. My name's Sarah. We were friends.
3 weeks later. 3 weeks agad nung nakalipas.
The doctor said you'd have some memory loss, but
Wala bang skip?
It's great to see you're all healed up. It's me,
Walang skip guys.
Carter, your ace, your wingman. Remember?
there's some place we need to go. Can you still drive?
Yeah, siguro pagtapos ito, pwede na tayo next video na siguro. Enough time na siguro to continue. Okay, steer daw ito sa malamang pwede rin ng D-pad or yung directional pad. Accelerate is X, okay. Brake or reverse is square, so ganun pa rin naman. Aha, change camera, nitro. Ang L ay nitro. May nitro ah. Okay, continue. So, tatanda ko na lang isang nitro is L. Nitro tayo dito. Wala naman nitro eh. Kailangan mo makakuha muna ng nitro siguro. Change view, wala. Pangit kay change view. So, D-pad tayo guys. Mas sanay ako sa D-pad pag ano eh. Pag racing eh. Bilis ng kalabang ko ah. Ang lapad ng kalsada pero kami lang ang tao. Na ako na siya. Panis. So yun agad, bilis ah. Ano ata to, entry level na ano ata. So continue.
He was your brother. The same.
Wala talagang skip guys, sinusubukan kong i-skip pero wala ayaw.
I guess that makes you lucky.
Open tayo ng ilaw since tayo ipa-exit na ng
Here's
game.
my
Try pa tayo ng iba pa. Next video na lang ulit. Pero tapusin ko lang itong monologue na to or itong cinematic.
No one knows what happened. 1 minute the two of you were like neck and neck for the win, and then it was over.
I was taking pictures from the sidelines, but all I got was this.
I've searched for that third car ever since, but no one's seen it. Nobody knows who it was. I guess we'll just have to live with that.
Come on, homie. Let's take your mind off all this heavy stuff. Let's go for a ride.
Okay, loading. Ano to? So, karera uli? Okay. So, continue yata. Tama. Karera yata uli. So, select muna ako. Select. Start. Yan, pinost ko muna. So, yun guys, no? Please stay tuned for my next video, no? Try naman natin yung iba pang games. So, exit na ako rito. Tapos, ano tayo doon? Overview tayo sa, ano? Sa ibang games, no? Na subukan natin laruin. Sa next video na yan guys, no? Kasi wala na halos wala na tayong oras. So next video next video natin try nating laruin is yung, so ito tapos na tayo dito. Ito hindi ko pa na try ito eh, itong Naruto, and then ito okay na ako dyan. Tsaka itong Manhunt, tsaka itong Jak and Daxter. Medyo nilimot ko na yan eh, maganda, para siyang Uncharted oh. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please stay tuned for my next videos.